In a very awkward location, and it's going to be a little difficult, but Nicole of Working Girl Apiaries Management is going to bring her bee vac over, and we're going to catch a swarm. This swarm arrived, I found it yesterday, after a very cold, rainy weekend. Not sure when it did this, but it's been out here for 2 days, at least 2 days, maybe 3 now. So they're ready to find a home, and they're going to find one. What? Yeah. Growing big here. Mess of bees.
Okay, let's open this up so they can vent.
Okay. So now what?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prop that open.
Okay.
So if the queen is in there, these remainder ones will come down.
Okay.
I can't imagine that she's not in this box.
Right.
I mean,
that's a box of bees.
You have no idea. You have no idea. And see if we can get, you want to take the camera off and get a good picture of how many bees are in this box?
Yep. Hold on a second. Let me find my stylus and turn the video off.
Seconds, they go right back up.
Yeah, so if you don't have the queen, then they'll fly right out and
They'll
go right up.
Right back to where they were.
So all these that are up here still in the tree, it's not many.
No, it's not many. Hopefully they'll get the message soon.
Yeah, they'll smell
that, you know, they have to come back down here.
Yeah.
And go into the box.
Yeah.
They have, these ladies are fanning. I can see them. Some of them are fanning. Yes, I know.
Oh yeah.
You're very angry.
And they're
at me.
humming.
Yep. So I'm actually going to put a couple more frames of drawn comb in.
Okay.
So they have a little bit more room to sit on.
Yeah.
I don't want to move them into this big box right now because they are very not happy bees.
Right.
They've been through a little bit of trauma this morning.
They've been vacuumed.
They've been vacuumed. Not many.
Now I know what the dust bunnies feel like in my house.
Exactly what the dust bunnies feel like. So let's just give them a couple frames here. They're not. It's not perfect, but that's fine. We got to move out of the way, sweetheart. I know. Well, you're gonna get squished. Well, there you go. See?
See? That's what you get.
That's what you get. Alrighty, so we're just gonna kind of catty corner them.
Okay. Hopefully they'll all go in.
They'll all go in. We'll give them a couple hours. I'll run to work and get some stuff done.
Okay. Hi, girls. Okay.
Lynn's job today will be to keep an eye on them.
Monitor.
To monitor the situation.
So here's the box. She got it from
Etsy.
Hollywood, well, Etsy, yeah, Hollywood Honey Farm in Hollywood, South Carolina. And it's got a hose on one end, which looks suspiciously like a pool hose. And I used a pool hole for attachment. And then we have a shop vac hooked into the back side of that. So that sucks the air through that hose and they go in the box. Pretty ingenious. I like this a lot. Thank you, Nicole.
You're very welcome.
We'll see. We'll see what happens next. Keep me posted.
No, you're going to keep me posted about the all going
yes,
in the box.
Absolutely, absolutely. If they all fly out, I'll let you know. They better not.
That's fine. They're going to go to.
Yeah.
They'll go to a farm.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably in Hampstead.
All right. Great.
In the
Okay.
next couple days, we'll let them settle for a couple days before.
Yeah.
I usually keep them in the box for a couple days.
Right.
Just for them to settle down and kind of get their minds right.
Right.
If you move them too much, I find that they abscond really quickly.
Why do I get the vision of Cool Hand Luke when you just said that? Put them in the box and let them get their heads right. Okay. All right. Well, here we go. Thank you. And thanks, Nicole, for coming and catching the swarm,
No
sucking them
worries.
up with the vacuum. And we'll see you next time.